Okay, while I'm here, I just got to show you guys this because my friend bought his bike virtually the same time I bought mine. Mine was a 1976 SUPERGLIDE, an FX E, which had an electric start and a kick, and we immediately took the electric start off. Well, my friend bought this bike, which was a 76 FX, kick only. SUPERGLIDE. As you notice, there's no SUPERGLIDE stuff on this anymore. The front end and turbine wheels and fenders and tins all came from our good old friend Toad, Mike Roach, and I believe this front end and stuff is around 1981 FLH stuff. And the beauty about this bike is there's a brand new shovel head crate motor made by Ultima, and it's brand spanking new, and I think it's this bike came originally 74 cubic inches. I think this might be 96. It is 96 cubic inches. So there's been a whole bunch of nice pipe work made for it. Bigger diameter, 1.7/8. Of course, at the heads, I think it might still be down to 1.75. But just a beautiful, beautiful, nice engine. And I see it looks like he's already got his shims underneath the front motor mount here. Oh, not yet. I just thought I saw them because my eyesight's bad and I wear 4 pairs of glasses all at once. But anyway, this bike has been in the same owner's hands for many, many years. Unfortunately, mine, as you guys know and have seen my videos, that mine bit the dust in 1995. But it's really nice to see a friend that's had his bike as long as this guy's had this bike. 1980. 1980, I guess. He says that he got it. I guess I got mine a couple of years earlier. But anyway, it's beautiful, and it's beautiful to see it still around. And underneath this cover is a newer, what I call a bagger. You know, it's not my cup of tea. This old shovel's more my cup of tea. And even this isn't really. I just like hot rod Harley type, you know, like chopper-esque or bobber-esque bikes myself, always have. But this is beautiful and I love it, and that's all I got to say about it. Can't wait to see it on the road. Later, kitties and cats.